Very briefly, I want to present a little about the evidence and the clinical use of the product. In terms of evidence, the first set of evidence came from the National Echo Database of Australia. This was presented as late-breaking science at the European Society of Cardiology meeting, and then subsequently published in Open Heart. That paper is available, and you're welcome to take a copy of that paper. Basically, it shows that the ability of the AI to identify the severe AS phenotypes is extremely good, with the area under the receiver operating characteristic curve of 0.986, and continues to be preserved even in the setting of significantly impaired LV function, low flow rate gradient AS, and other severe AS phenotypes. The second lot of evidence was based on clinical use in the St Vincent's Hospital group. So this was a retrospective review of echocardiography studies, and that was performed at St Vincent's Hospital in Melbourne, St Vincent's Hospital in Sydney, and that study is currently in press and waiting for the final publication to be presented, and that paper will be available soon. The third publication is from the US validation, which was performed at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center and affiliated hospitals in Boston, in USA. That was also presented at the European Society of Cardiology meeting, and that paper has showed, similar to what the NEDA database showed, that the ability of the AI to identify the severe AS phenotypes is extremely good, and in fact probably surpassed cardiologists in some cases, and that has been accepted in JACC Advances and is about to appear in press. Then the fourth one was another US validation study that was performed at Baylor Scott and White Hospital Group in Dallas in USA, and that was presented at New York Heart Valves meeting earlier this year, again showing that the ability of the AS AI to identify the high-risk phenotypes was extremely good, even in a tertiary or quaternary hospital setting with expert cardiologists who read echo routinely, and the AI performed very well, even identifying some cases of aortic stenosis that were missed by expert cardiologists. And there is more data coming out, but in clinical usefulness, now that the Food and Drug Administration in USA has cleared this product for use, it is getting widespread acceptance across multiple hospitals in USA.